Hey friends, I'm back with this really awesome new item I just got, and I'm super excited to share this one with everybody here today. This is a wireless CarPlay adapter. It's going to connect to your device and your vehicle for a seamless connection between the two, so you can use CarPlay on your dashboard without having to plug your phone in to your vehicle. It's plug and play. You don't have to download any apps. Very, very simple to do. It's going to give you a really incredibly stable and fast connection to your vehicle. I'm going to walk through all the steps with you here in just a second. Let's go through and open up this box and I'll show you what the device looks like. All right, so here is the device. It's got a USB-A connection. This thing's super tiny, and it does come with, you get two of these little double stick adhesive things if you wanted to mount it. Also, here's the USB-A to USB-C adapter if your vehicle offers that. Over 900 vehicles work with CarPlay, and super simple to follow instructions. So let's get started with that. So stick around. All right, so the first thing you need to do is you need to plug this into your vehicle's USB port, whichever one is your CarPlay port. I'm gonna plug it in there, and I'm just gonna kind of tuck it in there. I'm gonna use one of those double stick adhesives just to keep it safely mounted in there. Then you wanna come over here to your device and unlock it. Then you want to go to your settings, and then we're going to turn Bluetooth on, and it should just take a second for my phone to recognize the CarPlay adapter here. All right, so you can see here my vehicle automatically recognizes that device. All right, here we go. So the Bluetooth network is Smart Dongle 8C. I'm going to connect to that. All right, and then we're going to use CarPlay. All right, here we go. So we're connected wirelessly using the wireless CarPlay adapter from my vehicle to my device here. So I can text, I can use maps, I can do audio books, you name it. Lots of cool features with the different music. I can use my steering wheel controls to control the volume and fast forward and rewind the different tracks. Such a cool item, and I can do it all wirelessly.